Imagine a beginning without time, an expanse without space, a story without history. Our universe, an enigma wrapped in the shroud of vast cosmic wonders, provokes the quintessential question that has tantalized humanity throughout the ages: how did it all begin? From the fiery whisper of the Big Bang to the serene myths whispered by ancient firesides, every culture and every religion has peered into the abyss of the beginning and seen something different. This essay will journey through these diverse narratives, exploring how the cosmos came to be understood across different cultures and religions, and how science itself narrates this profound genesis. The Big Bang, the scientific consensus, suggests that the cosmos did not always exist. About 13.8 billion years ago, from a point of infinite density and intense heat, our universe burst into existence. This moment, known as the Big Bang, marks the scientific beginning of everything. Supported by robust mathematical models and observational evidence like the cosmic microwave background radiation, this theory provides a compelling narrative of our universe's early moments. It's breathtaking to imagine that the universe expanded faster than the speed of light. In an infinitesimal fraction of a second, the cosmos grew exponentially. This rapid expansion, known as cosmic inflation, set the stage for everything that followed. Yet, the Big Bang theory is not just about explosions and expansion, it's a symphony of physics, a harmonious blend of quantum mechanics and general relativity playing out on the universal stage. This scientific narrative sets a profound context for our exploration of creation across cultures and religions. In the Fertile Crescent of Mesopotamia, the Babylonians envisioned a cosmic battle that led to creation. Their story, encapsulated in the Enuma Elish, speaks of primordial chaos personified by the goddess Tiamat. From this chaos, the god Marduk emerged victorious, creating the world from Tiamat's defeated body. This tale is rich with symbolism, reflecting a universe born from conflict, a common theme in many creation stories. Marduk's triumph is not merely about establishing order from chaos but also about the ascendancy of human civilization over the untamed natural world. The Enuma Elish also serves as a political allegory, mirroring the ascension of Babylon as a significant center of ancient civilization. In the golden sands of Egypt, the sun god Ra holds the secret to creation. According to Egyptian mythology, Ra emerged from the chaotic waters of Nun, creating himself and then other gods, followed by all life forms. This self-creation is a powerful notion, emphasizing autonomy and the divine right of kings, mirroring the pharaoh's status in society. Each morning, Ra's rebirth at dawn symbolizes renewal and the perpetual cycle of life and death. His daily journey across the sky was seen as a continual act of creation, where the forces of chaos are held at bay by his solar power. Ra's voyage through the underworld each night reflects the human struggle with darkness and uncertainty, providing hope and reaffirming cosmic order each morning. In the lush landscapes of ancient India, creation sprang from a cosmic egg, the Brahmanda. This egg, symbolizing potential and totality, encapsulates the universe's entirety within its shell. According to Hindu belief, from this egg emerged Brahma, the creator god, who then fashioned the world. This narrative is profound in its simplicity and depth, suggesting a universe cyclically reborn, aligning with the broader Hindu philosophy of birth, death, and rebirth. The cosmic egg cradles the cosmos's mysteries, symbolizing the unity and interconnectedness of all existence. The idea of the cosmic egg appears in various cultures, hinting at a shared human intuition about the universe's origins. In the Hindu context, it is deeply woven into the fabric of spiritual and philosophical thought, offering insights into the eternal cycle of life and the universe. In the ancient Chinese narrative, the universe begins with an egg from which a primeval being, Pangu, emerges. Legend has it that Pangu slept inside it for 18,000 years, growing so massive that upon awakening, his movements cracked the egg. From the parts of this broken egg, the earth and the heavens formed. As Pangu stood up, he pushed the sky higher and stamped the earth down firmer, establishing the cosmos's dimensions. His breath became the wind, his voice the thunder, and upon his death, his body parts transformed into elements of the earth, imbuing the world with life-giving properties. This tale is a poetic account of creation, emphasizing harmony and balance, key elements in Taoist philosophy. It reflects the Chinese understanding of the universe as a dynamic equilibrium where every element has its place and purpose. In the cradle of Western civilization, the Greeks envisioned a universe born from chaos, a vast yawning nothingness. From this primordial void emerged Gaia, Earth, Tartarus, the abyss, Eros, love, and other primordial deities. The cosmos, as the Greeks understood it, was a product of these divine interactions. Chaos in Greek mythology is not merely disorder but the potential for order. From it, the structured universe, cosmos, emerged. This notion parallels modern scientific ideas about the universe's formation, from a state of extreme heat and density to a well-ordered system governed by physical laws. Greek myths also underscore the role of love as a cosmic force. Eros, bringing entities together, catalyzes creation, resonating with modern ideas that attraction and interaction, whether in physics or human relationships, drive creation forward. In the frost-covered lands of the Norse, the universe unfolds around an immense ash tree, Yggdrasil. This tree connects 9 worlds, its branches stretching into the heavens and its roots entwined with the fates of all beings. Yggdrasil represents the axis mundi, the world center, supporting and sustaining the cosmos. The Norse creation story is filled with vivid imagery of worlds born from the union of fire and ice, emerging from the void called Ginnungagap. This narrative highlights a universe in constant flux, a theme echoed in the Norse belief in Ragnarok, the end and rebirth of the world. Yggdrasil itself is a symbol of resilience and interconnectedness. Despite facing the hardships of the 9 worlds, from dragons gnawing at its roots to deer feeding on its leaves, it stands firm, a testament to the strength inherent in the cosmos. In the Judeo-Christian tradition, the creation story is a profound declaration. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. This simple yet powerful statement from Genesis encapsulates a universe called into existence by the divine word. The sequential acts of creation build a structured universe, from light and darkness to the diversity of life on earth. This narrative emphasizes intentionality and purpose, with each act of creation being deliberate, reflecting a universe crafted with care and foresight. The concept of a Sabbath rest underscores the importance of balance and harmony within the creation process. Furthermore, the Genesis story has deeply influenced Western thought, shaping ideas about time, existence, and mankind's role in the universe. It frames humanity as stewards of the earth, entrusted with its care, a notion that resonates with contemporary concerns about environmental stewardship. Across the vast landscapes of North America, indigenous tribes hold a rich tapestry of creation stories. Each tribe's narrative reflects its environment, way of life, and spiritual beliefs. For instance, the Iroquois speak of a world created on the back of a giant turtle, known as Turtle Island. This earth diver myth highlights themes of sacrifice and the interconnectedness of life. Similarly, the Navajo talk of successive worlds, each a stage in the evolution of the universe, culminating in the harmonious fourth world where humans currently reside. These stories often feature animals as creators or helpers, illustrating a deep respect for nature as an integral part of the cosmos. These narratives are not just stories but living parts of culture, offering wisdom on coexistence and sustainability. They teach respect for the environment, a lesson of immense value in our contemporary world grappling with ecological challenges. Africa, with its diverse cultures, presents a myriad of creation myths that paint the cosmos in vivid strokes. North of the Sahara, ancient Egyptians saw the universe as emerging from the waters of chaos, with gods like Ta crafting the world through heart and tongue, thoughts and words. Sub-Saharan myths often involve a supreme being who withdraws from direct involvement with the world after its creation. The Dinka of Sudan believe in a creator who set the world into motion and then retreated, leaving humans to their own devices. This motif of withdrawal speaks to themes of independence and the maturation of the world. Moreover, these myths emphasize community in the relationships between beings, divine, human, or animal. They reflect a worldview where every component of the universe is interconnected, and harmony depends on the maintenance of these relationships. For the Aboriginal peoples of Australia, creation is a process ongoing and ever-present, described through the dreamtime. This sacred era is both a time and a timeless place beyond the physical world where ancestral spirits fashion the land and its laws. Dreamtime stories map not only the physical landscape but also the moral and social rules governing the people. These tales are passed down through generations, imbued with lessons on living in harmony with nature and each other. This concept of creation is dynamic, seeing the universe not as a static creation but as a continuous interaction between the past, present, and future. The land and its features hold stories, making the sacred landscapes living links to creation. The ancient Mayans of Central America left behind the Popol Vuh, a detailed narrative of creation. This epic tale begins with the gods conceiving the world in a void and speaks of their trials in creating humanity. The first humans were made of mud, then wood, and finally maize, which succeeded as the material of choice. The Popol Vuh is not only a story of how things came to be but also a guide to the purpose and duties of humanity. The maize, a staple of Mayan life, symbolizes the deep connection between the people and their environment, highlighting a reciprocal relationship where humans are both caretakers and part of the earth. This creation myth, rich with symbolism and depth, offers insights into the Mayan worldview, where time is cyclical and human life is deeply intertwined with the cosmic and earthly cycles. Science, ever pushing the boundaries of understanding, introduces concepts that challenge our traditional views of creation. The multiverse theory suggests that our universe might be just one of many, an endless sea of universes, each with its own laws of physics. This perspective expands the concept of creation beyond the confines of our cosmic horizon, inviting us to consider a reality where beginnings and endings are relative, and where the parameters of existence vary dramatically across different universes. The implications of this theory are profound, suggesting not just multiple creations but potentially different forms of existence itself. It pushes the boundaries of what it means to exist and where the limits of scientific inquiry might finally rest. Chaos, often seen as primal disorder, is a central theme in many creation myths. It represents the raw potential from which the cosmos organizes. From the Norse Yggdrasil to the Greek chaos, this concept underscores a universal truth: order emerges from disorder. These myths illuminate a fundamental aspect of human understanding, the perception of chaos not as mere anarchy but as the precursor to order. This reflects a deeper philosophical and psychological processing of the world, recognizing that creation is not just about forming something new but also about transforming what already exists. The role of chaos in these stories also speaks to a broader existential perspective, suggesting that beginnings are inherently turbulent and that growth and creation are processes born out of upheaval. One of the most profound questions that arise from studying the cosmos and its origins is whether humanity is alone in the universe. This question has haunted philosophers, scientists, and theologians alike. The vastness of the universe, with its billions of galaxies each home to billions of stars, suggests a statistical likelihood of other life forms. Yet, despite this probability, we have yet to find definitive proof of life beyond Earth. This cosmic loneliness shapes our understanding of creation. It influences everything from our search for extraterrestrial life to our philosophies and religions. The possibility that we might be the only conscious beings in this vast cosmos adds a layer of responsibility to our existence. We are the universe's way of understanding itself. Creation myths do more than explain the origins of the cosmos, they shape the cultural, ethical, and social frameworks of societies. These narratives provide communities with a sense of identity and continuity, offering explanations not only for the cosmos's existence but also for the role of individuals within it. In many cultures, these myths influence laws, social norms, and even governmental structures, reflecting the deep interconnection between cosmological perceptions and daily life. For example, the biblical creation story has profoundly influenced Western legal and ethical systems, just as the Dharma concepts in Hindu creation myths have shaped societal structures in India. The power of these stories lies in their ability to bind communities together, providing a shared history and a common understanding of the world, thus playing a crucial role in the cohesion and identity of societies. Creation myths have found new life in modern media, resonating through films, novels, and artworks. These contemporary renditions reframe ancient narratives within modern contexts, highlighting their enduring appeal and adaptability. Films like The Tree of Life interweave the cosmic and the intimate, exploring the connections between the origins of the universe and individual lives. Novels such as American Gods mix myth with modernity, showing that these creation stories still have power and relevance today. These artistic explorations contribute to the ongoing dialogue between the ancient and the modern, showing that the questions of where we come from and why are as compelling now as they were millennia ago. Modern physics offers a fascinating perspective on creation, particularly through the lens of quantum mechanics and relativity. The laws governing the smallest particles and the entire cosmos reveal that our universe could have sprung from fluctuations in the quantum vacuum, a concept that parallels ancient ideas of creation from chaos. This scientific approach to creation involves a universe that can spontaneously arise from nothing, a state defined not by emptiness but by a seething foam of quantum energy. From this energy, particles and antiparticles constantly form and annihilate, offering a glimpse into the processes that might have led to the birth of the cosmos. Understanding these physical processes not only deepens our grasp of the universe's origin but also connects us to a broader narrative of creation, one where science and mythology echo each other, reaching for explanations of how something can emerge from nothing. The stories and theories of creation transcend the mere act of beginning. They delve into why there is something rather than nothing, a profound philosophical inquiry that has puzzled thinkers across millennia. These narratives, whether through the lens of religion, mythology, or science, raise significant existential questions. What is the purpose of creation? Do we, as part of this universe, have a predetermined role? These questions bridge cosmology and philosophy, suggesting that our understanding of the universe is deeply intertwined with our understanding of ourselves. Moreover, these creation narratives offer a way to confront and comprehend the fundamental mysteries of existence, providing not just explanations but also comfort in the face of the vast, often indifferent cosmos. Across different cultures and epochs, creation myths exhibit fascinating similarities. Many begin with a primordial state of nothingness or chaos, followed by an emergence or separation that establishes order. These similarities suggest a shared human intuition about the origin of the world. The recurring themes of chaos, cosmic eggs, divine speech, and the role of water can be seen as different expressions of a universal human experience. Analyzing these patterns not only helps in understanding specific cultural contexts but also offers insights into the collective human psyche and its attempt to make sense of the universe. This comparative study not only enriches our understanding of each myth but also highlights the interconnectedness of human cultures in their quest to answer life's most profound questions. Despite millennia of storytelling and centuries of scientific inquiry, many questions about the universe's origins remain unanswered. The nature of dark matter and dark energy, the true extent of the universe, and the conditions of the singularity from which the Big Bang emerged are still shrouded in mystery. These unanswered questions are not just scientific challenges, they represent the continuing mystery of our creation story. They remind us that our search for understanding is an ongoing journey, one that may never find a definitive conclusion but is valuable in its relentless pursuit of knowledge. As our technological and intellectual capabilities expand, so too does our potential to unravel the universe's secrets. Future explorations in physics, astronomy, and perhaps even new sciences might reveal more about the Big Bang or even confirm the existence of other universes. These advancements will not only deepen our understanding of where we come from but also redefine our place in the cosmos. As we stand on the brink of potentially revolutionary discoveries, we continue the age-old quest for knowledge, driven by an innate human desire to understand our origins. On a personal level, reflecting on the universe's creation can be a source of profound wonder and existential contemplation. It places our individual lives within the broader context of an almost incomprehensible cosmos, offering both humbling and elevating thoughts. These reflections can influence our values and our understanding of what it means to be human. They can inspire a sense of stewardship for our planet, a drive to explore beyond our limits, and a deeper appreciation for the mystery and beauty of existence. The quest to understand the universe's origins is an eternal one, spanning across cultures, religions, and scientific disciplines. This journey is not just about satisfying curiosity but about connecting with a larger narrative, a narrative that encompasses not only where we come from but also who we are and where we are going. As we explore these diverse myths, theories, and discoveries, we weave a richer tapestry of understanding, one that respects both the diversity of perspectives and the shared human quest for knowledge. In this eternal quest, every story and every theory contribute to the profound saga of our cosmic origins.